Hello, and welcome to the
aviation legislation. I am Stephen Entera, together with my team members, Mr. Barbosa, Mr. Ridola, Mr. Mahine, Mr. Acera, and Mr. Kegas. We are the Group 4. How does licensing affect safety?
How does licensing affect safety? So, as an aircraft mechanic, licensing affects safety in the aviation industry to ensure that only trained and qualified personnel to operate the aircraft and perform maintenance. Aviation professionals must be strict when it comes to training, exams, and evaluation as set by the authorities and International Civil Aviation Organization and Civil Aviation Authorities of the Philippines. This process confirms that the pilot, mechanics, and controllers must understand aircraft systems, safety procedures, and aviation regulations. Licensing requires a regular renewal medical checks to maintain their skills updated. Because of this, licensing helps reduce human error and keeps the aviation operation safe.
You're right, Barbosa. Licensing in aviation industry really does affect safety. For example, an aircraft maintenance technician doing a 360 flight before flight to ensure that the aircraft is airworthy, to ensure that everyone is safe during flight, and to ensure that the airframe or the panels outside the aircraft is tightened and properly inspected. Or for example, a pilot is properly trained, have the skill to control the flight controls, to check the control panels, and everything. Overall, in licensing really does affect safety to reduce human errors and to make sure that everyone is safe during flight, before flight, or after flight.
What are the risks of unlicensed maintenance?
Performing aircraft maintenance without a license can be very risky because the person may not have the proper training, knowledge, and certification required to work on aircraft systems. This can lead to mistakes that may affect the safety and reliability of the aircraft. In aviation, even a small error can cause serious problems, including the equipment failure or accidents, which can put the lives of the passenger and crew at risk. For example, if an unlicensed person installs a part on the aircraft incorrectly or forget to tighten the important bolts, the component might fail while the aircraft is in flight. This could lead to dangerous situation or even an accident.
How does COP use licensing to enforce standards?
CAP, or Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, uses licensing to make sure people in aviation follow safety standards. So first, CAP give licenses to pilots, aircraft mechanics, air traffic controllers, and other aviation workers. To get a license, they must pass training, exams, and medical checks. Second, CAP checks if they follow the rules. If someone does not meet the standards or breaks the safety regulations, CAP can suspend or cancel their license.
Why is ongoing training and renewal necessary?
Ongoing training and renewal are important because people need to keep learning to stay skilled and effective in their jobs. As time passes, new technologies, rules, and methods are introduced, so workers must update their knowledge. Continuous training helps people improve their skills, stay prepared, and perform their work safely and efficiently. And for the renewal, is also necessary because some license or certifications expired after a certain period of time. Professionals must renew them to prove that they are qualified and updated with the latest standard in their field. This process ensures that workers continue to meet the required level of knowledge and competence. For the example, in aviation, pilots must attend regular training and also renew their license and medical certificates. They undergo simulator training and safety updates to maintain their flying skills. After a certain time, they must renew their certification to prove they are still fit and capable of flying an aircraft safely.